Welcome to our tutorial on the Extrude command. First, let's undock the Surfaces toolbar. Press the Shift key to release it. Now let's activate the Extrude command. Next, CATIA asks us to select a profile. In order to extrude this entire profile, I need to click on the profile or join one. If I click on an element of this wireframe, for example, corner dot 1, the extrusion will happen only from that segment. Next, I need to choose the direction. As you see, the extrusion only happened for corner 1. Let's cancel out of this. We'll activate the Extrude command again. Under Profile, let's select Join 1. Under Direction, let's select the Y-axis. We can enter a value for the dimension directly in this field, or simply drag Limit 1 and Limit 2. I can also drag either one of these limits in a negative direction. Now you see Limit 2 measuring at -23 millimeters. Or in other words, the extrude starts 23 millimeters from the profile. If I press reverse direction, the extrude will start 23 millimeters from the profile, but in the opposite direction. We can also change the direction vector. Let's use the Z-axis now. But if I try to use the Y-axis, CATIA gives me a warning. The profile is located parallel to the extrusion direction. Basically, it can't extrude because the extrusion will happen upon itself. Click OK. Let's select the Y direction, press reverse, enter a value of 0 millimeters for the Limit 2 tab. Under Limit Type, we have another option, Up to Element. Right now, we don't have anything to select. Let's right-click and select Create Plane. Under Plane Type, I'll choose Offset from Plane. Let's use the XZ plane as our reference. We'll enter an offset value of 40 millimeters, Tab, and OK. Right here we have a button with a plane icon. If we want to edit the position of the plane, we simply click on this button. The plane definition window opens, make your changes and click OK. Let's expand our specification tree now. We see the plane we just created right here under Extrude.1. Once again, if we want to change some of these parameters, for example, Limit 2, simply double-click on the parameter and make the changes you need. And this concludes our tutorial on the Extrude command.